Hello SER402, this is Project5 Trynkit, and this is our 6th artifact review. This artifact review covers our 10th sprint, which started on March 29th and ends today, April 11th. For our sprint, we wanted to finalize some things, fix some bugs that we have caught in our web application and our firmware, and do a little minor implementation changes. So first, we changed our layout of our web application to use grid view. Can't really tell much of a difference visually, but on the back end everything's using a grid view. So if you want to look at our web application on a tablet or a mobile device, it'll have a it'll format better. We added, if you go into settings and you click here to enable Vim key bindings for the editor, so we'll do that. Close, and if you see now, it's got the Vim key bindings enabled. So right now, see the cursor changed. Hit I, and then we could be able to type again. So there's that. We had a bug with our tabs that we fixed recently in this sprint. So before, we were seeing that if you had a tab open and you close it, say like this one, and if you tried to create a new file with that same exact name, it wouldn't let you do it before. It would just say that that file already existed. So we added a little change in the back end to allow you to create again with that name, and if you see, try it again, name already exists. So that bug was fixed. We had another bug, so whenever you clicked into the editor, that there was a random blank space. So if you went and then tried to upload code to your device, you'd get a syntax error for Python because it would have a space at the beginning of your code that you didn't think was there. So it's a little minor inconvenience, but caused big headaches for the end user and the user experience if we didn't fix that bug. Another thing is we got rid of the serial console button, and now we're just showing it on the right side of the web application at all times now. Just we wanted to remove clutter with all of our menu buttons that we have so far, and we had the space, and it'd be nice for the user to see the console at all times. Another thing that we added was, if you go and look at our firmware, we added a banner message with, our class SER402, Project5 Trynkit, what it is, MicroPython on ESP32. And in the banner we have battery voltage check. So implemented into the firmware that we will check the battery voltage if the user has like an external battery plugged into their device, and it uses an A to D to read the voltage from the battery, and then while it's booting up, and it prints it out here on the banner message. So if we go and reboot again, see, there you go, the voltage changed for a new reading from the A to D. That is pretty much what we have for this sprint. We hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you, and we will see you again at the end of the term here.